If you spend a lot of time browsing the web, learning how to switch tabs in Chrome with keyboard shortcuts can save you a huge amount of time. Instead of reaching for your mouse every time, you can move through your tabs quickly and smoothly with just a few keys. In this video, I'll show you the easiest Chrome tab shortcuts you can use right now, and by the end, you'll be switching between tabs like a pro. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tips and tutorials. Let's get into it. First, if you want to move to the next tab in Chrome, simply press Ctrl and Tab on Windows. That's the fastest way to jump forward, one tab at a time. You can also use Ctrl and Page Down if that feels easier for you. Both shortcuts do the same thing, so choose the one that fits your keyboard best. This is especially useful when you have several tabs open and need to move through them in order without clicking around. Now, if you want to go back to the previous tab, use Ctrl, Shift, and Tab together. That shortcut moves you in the opposite direction, which is perfect when you accidentally go too far or need to return to an earlier page. Another option is Ctrl and Page Up, which also takes you to the previous tab. Again, both methods work, so you can use whichever one feels more natural. A great way to remember this is simple. Ctrl plus Tab goes forward, and Ctrl plus Shift plus Tab goes backward. Once you get used to it, these shortcuts become second nature. They're a small trick, but they can make a big difference in your browsing speed and workflow. Whether you're researching, working, shopping, or managing multiple websites, switching tabs with the keyboard is much faster than using your mouse every time. So, let's quickly recap. To go to the next tab in Chrome, press Ctrl plus Tab or Ctrl plus Page Down. To go to the previous tab, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Tab or Ctrl plus Page Up. That's all you need to know. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.